Steps to solve verbal problems. 1. Denote unknown quantity by any variable. 2. Translate the problem into the language of mathematics. 3. Determine equal quantities and form an equation. 4. Solve the equation. 5. Verify correctness of the answer. Illustration 1. There is a rectangular field whose length is twice the width and its length of the fencing is 90 meters. Find the dimensions of the field. Let the width of the field be x. Then the length of the field is 2x. Given that length of the fencing is equal to 90 meters, we know that the length of the fencing is given by the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. By substituting 2 into 2x plus x equals to 90. 2 into 3x equals to 90. 6x equals to 90. By transposing 6 to RHS, we get x equals to 90 by 6 equals to 15. Therefore, the width of the field is 15 meters. Substitute the value of x in 2x to get the length of the field. Length equals to 2x equals to 2 into 15 equals to 30 meters. Verification. 2 into 30 plus 15 equals to 90. Illustration 2. Hamid has 3 boxes of different fruits. Box A weighs 2 1/2 kg more than box B, and box C weighs 10 1/4 kg more than box B. The total weight of the boxes is 48 3/4. How many kgs does box A weigh? Suppose the box B weighs x kg. Since box A weighs 2 1/2 kg more than box B, weight of box A equals to x plus 2 1/2 kg equals to x plus 5/2 kg, say equation 1. And C weighs 10 1/4 kg more than box B. Weight of box C equals to x plus 10 1/4 kg equals to x plus 41/4 kg. Therefore, total weight of all the boxes equals to x plus 5/2 plus x plus 41/4 kg. But the total weight of the boxes is given as 48 3/4 kg equals to 195/4 kg. Therefore, x plus 5/2 plus x plus 41/4 equals to 195/4. Multiplying both sides by 4 implies 4x plus 10 plus 4x plus 4x plus 41 equals to 195. Implies 12x plus 51 equals to 195. Implies 12x equals to 195 minus 51. Implies 12x equals to 144. Implies 12x by 12 equals to 144 by 12. Implies x equals to 12. Substituting x equals to 12 in equation 1, we get Weight of box A equals to 12 plus 5 by 2 kg. That is equal to 14 1 by 2 kg.